Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to play Evade. As you can see, we're playing natural disaster survival, but that's not what we're doing. We're going to play Evade, and if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It's completely appreciated. Yes, and you can unsubscribe if you want. It's up to you. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay retro, boys. Okay, it's night time. That's very bad. Anyways, I have seen the Crossroads map and it was always daytime. I just thought about it, I hope I don't die. And I'm lagging already. This is very great. So let's go check out the next box. Hey there. We back, boys, we back. That was a traumatizing experience, but it's okay. We manage. Let's go check out the death zone where they spawn. Where they are. Let's go up here. Oh shit. We must go up. Help me. Where are they? Oh my god. I'm the watchtower here. I'm the watchtower. I'm the lifeguard. I see someone right there, but I'm too scared to go rescue him because I'm in mobile, man. Someone's gonna rescue him. Let's go get him. Go, go, go. I am here for you, man. I can't even. Oh shit. Help me. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Oh my god, man's left. I was gonna take you somewhere safe. I was gonna take you to the beach, man. Why you leave? Why you leave? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Help me. Help me.
No. What now?
We back again, boys, after our second death. Let's try to go rescue some players.
He called himself Pickle Administrator.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm getting chased, man. I hope I don't die. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man. Okay, new map, man. New map. Okay. Okay, oh. What is that? What the fuck is that? This is not looking good, man. Let me up, let me up, let me up. I can't get up. Hey. It's a boy. It's a boy. Strawberry elephant, man. Elephant. Oh. I'm recording. Oh. LOL.
Granddad!
I'm out of here, boy. You ain't getting me. Goodbye. Goofball. Get me up, man. Get me up, come on, man. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Turn myself into a pickle, Morty! I'm Pickle Rick! What do you think about that? Granddad! Pickle Morty!
Oh my fucking god.
What do you think about that? Turn myself into a Granddad! Granddad! I'm a pickle. What do you think about that?
Survival the pickle. Survival the
I'm Pickle Rick!
pickle Morty. Survival the pickle Rick the killer, man. God
Turn
damn.
me some.
Oh shit.
Boom.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. I fell. I fell. Oh shit.
A pickle Rick.
Oh shit. I don't see no nothing. I don't see no nothing, man. Bitch. Oh. Help me. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. Oh yes, stay mad, lil bro. Stay mad, bitch. Stay mad. Stay mad, man. Stay mad. I like the neighborhood. Please. Oh man. Also, this one's the date. What's your favorite map in here? Mine's green. It's the one where there's different colors and those on the upright corners, man. How is your day? Man. Man. Okay, boys, let's find the death zone. Because, yes, oh, there it is, man. I found it. Oh my god, it's under me. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I ain't scared, boy. I ain't scared, little bro. Or maybe I'm scared. Help. They're coming. Retreat. Retreat. I'm dead. I'm dead. Fuck, boys, we got revived. So far, we got no revives, man. We gotta get revives. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, man. Oh, stay away from me. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me. Stay away. Stay away from me. I'm not even. Oh shit. Oh no, I died again. Oh no. Guys, I need to revive someone. I need to be useful for once, man. Help me. Oh man. Thank you. Sam. I gotta rescue, man. I gotta rescue. I hate doing mobile, man. Control suck. Oh man, we back. What the fuck? This map, is this supposed to be like this? Gray. I need flashlights, man. I need bits. Wait, the fuck time, man. We gotta find survivors. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? You go there, I go here. Oh man, it ended. We're going to stop. We're going to end this whole last video when we get a grab map. Maybe no luck we can just watch from over here, sniper rifle, boy. Oh shit. Blood, you gotta run, man. You gotta run. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. They're coming, man. They're coming. Alright, let's get out of here, man. I'm getting out. You guys can deal with your own problems. I'm staying here. Nobody ain't getting me. I I am unstoppable. Oh shit. Yeah, we gotta run, man. We gotta run. Drift. What the fuck? I wonder what would even happen if we like fall off the map, cause stay away from that guy. What the fuck? Am I going that way? I'm stupid. Am I stupid? Am I doing it? Oh no. I'm going up. I don't care. Fuck it. Go, 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 go. Oh shit. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Go, 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 go. They're all the way. Oh no. Sleeping in. Oh no. I gotta revive him. I'm reviving him. Oh, they already got him, man. He's fine. As long as he doesn't come straight into my fucking face, man. Oh my god, that looks so shit. Oh fuck. That looks so sick, man. It's like buildings, low quality buildings. We're in the no texture city. Why the fuck? Why am I seeing red overlays? Am I going to die? Is he near me? If I fall off, I'm dead. They look cities. Should we go rescue him? We're going. Stop disappearing, man. Oh shit, oh shit, oh no. I'm gonna die. Help. Where the fuck did the stupid skull go, man? Cargo. Where's he now? I see nobody. Why is everybody dying, man? Oh shit. You guys know where they are? Oh my god, I got launched. I got behind. Oh. I'll keep him busy, man. Stay out of sight. Stay. Oh shit, oh my fucking god, that actually scared me. What the fuck, man? What in the glizzy goo? What in the glizzy goo? Oh man. We're going with love. We're going with love, bro. We might have to end this video in 5 minutes if we don't get dragged. I might make a part 2. The music so loud, y'all probably can't even hear me, man. Oh my god, the stupid textures. I'm sorry guys if... What the fuck do you scram into the doors? How do you push the doors? Get that shit out of here. Also, I'm sorry guys if there's so many swearing in here. It's my type. Oh no. You guys gotta run. We're dead. They out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm not going down. I'm not going there. Go deal with your own problems. Oh shit, it's locked. Oh no. Oh no. So we gotta make sure that they don't see us. Also, we're going to play Nico's Next Bots too. So be patient. I have school going on, and I stopped in front of an Xbot because it seems like they. Oh my god, I'm lagging like crazy, dude. Like medics on the way. Medics on the way. Where are they? Medics on the way. Who? Medic's on the way. I'm on the way. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Go, go, go. Stop. Oh, shit. Help me. I'm gonna die. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. I'm a pro at this game, at this level. It's not an excuse. Right, before we end this, let's take a little round at natural disaster survival. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
That's crazy, man.
We need. I've got the Empyrean Reigns of Awesomeness, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.